Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 31st of October 2013. You're watching the daily chart. At the moment, from our previous forecasts, our previous hypothesis towards 217.50, which was something that it occurred 98% of the entire hypothesis, and it was a successful recommendation to all of you. We see a retracement and a reaction from that particular minor resistance, and we're going to see that on the 240-minute chart. What we see at this point is the possibilities that the price hasn't been able to reach 217.50. It managed to reach 216.50 twice in the last 2 days of market. However, this particular higher low, as you can see, that is already been is developed 100%, is trying right now to do several things that we might consider as a bullish patterns, but we have to wait for the minor time frames such as 240-minute and 60-minute chart to show us these new patterns. And if that happens, we can find opportunities to go again long trades, or in the last case scenario, just wait for the possible pullback in order to see if this particular situation will develop even further, and we can see downtrends and possible lower highs. But we'll see at this point. Right now, what we see right now is the possibility that this particular day could end up being a full range candlestick, and we might generate a bullish sandwich. A bullish sandwich that I thought was going to happen with the 3-day chart, with this particular chart, but it didn't happen. However, this particular candle managed to penetrate more than 60% the previous long range candlestick, which is a very good sign. And this new one right now is trying once again to push itself up, but we have to wait, and we need to see new patterns in the small time frames. Back into what is concerned for us today as an intraday analysis. The situations we see in the 240-minute chart are quite very interesting. Now, this one right now shows that after we visit this particular area, which was 217 with new highs set on 216.50, this previous higher low was denied by this particular downtrend, this pullback, and it bring the price back into this particular consolidation that now ends up being a new support. It's trying to build a lower high that if it develops, it can reach this second area, which is 198. However, it is possible that right now this cannot happen, and the reason why is because 60-minute chart is showing us previous denial on this particular lower high, and as you can see, this green long range candlestick managed to push the price up, deny this particular lower high, create a consolidation, and it's possible that this consolidation breaks up, create a first new higher low, and it brings the price back again into resistance. What I see right now, I don't have any aligns in between I don't have any synchrony between all the time frames that I can suggest that a possible pullback is doable. What I see right now is that SMA 200 and the 40 and the 60-minute chart is helping to push the price up again, and it might consolidate a little bit more. And if that happens and it breaks up, we can see a new higher low on the 60-minute chart that it can push the price again, and it can help the 4-hour chart to show us once again the price in this area, and the second and the next higher low can help to push the price again and go with enough space towards these particular areas. But we'll see what happens. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you live. Goodbye.